This is EPS foaming machine equipment. Here is an introduction to his work process. First, workers put the raw materials into the feed pot. Bottom opening allows ingredients to flow down. Then the raw materials will go up the pipe to the weighing unit at the top. Here the machine will weigh the appropriate raw materials according to the required weight. Here the weighing unit will accurately weigh the required weight. After weighing is completed, the raw materials will enter the heating system of the machine. Then the temperature will be strictly controlled. Let the raw materials form to the appropriate size. Then it will enter the aging warehouse for drying and cooling. This step is to dry the particles. After foaming is completed, you can check the maturity degree of the polystyrene particles through this outlet. The screen adopts two control methods: touch screen and button. We use advanced PLC control system to make foaming more accurate. Specializing in the production of EPS equipment, please contact us if you need it.